The OTS was founded after oligonucleotide therapeutics had already gone through several ups and downs. From the beginning of the field in the late 1980s, when the first companies were established, there was initially this huge level of excitement, almost irrational exuberance. And then there was the disappointment as the early hopes were not realized. The formation of the OTS recognized those challenges and tried to overcome them by bringing together some of the best scientific groups in the world, from different laboratories as well as different companies, to focus on those challenges and help us overcome them.
The field itself was certainly moving forward because of the discovery at that time of microRNAs, but we still had no oligonucleotide therapeutic products. And the field actually got a huge boost when Art Krieg came to me and said, I think we should have a society. And I said, Art, I'm not really sure about that because so far we don't have any products on the market. And he managed to convince me that it really was a good idea to set up this new society.
I was interested in having a society like the OTS, which gives you the chance of discussing with colleagues with a similar interest in developing nucleic acid therapeutics.
The very early days of the OTS really involved just a handful of scientists from all kinds of walks of life, academia and industry, that were getting together and saying, well, if we create a society, what do we want it to do? And I think one of the challenges we really had was, can we make this stuff work? I mean, antisense? I mean, siRNA didn't even exist at the time. It was really focused on antisense, and it was oligonucleotide, stimulatory oligonucleotides, CpG oligonucleotides. Really, that was it.
The first meeting was at the castle in Tuscany. It was the Palazzo di Piero. It was about 100 kilometers from Rome. And this castle was quite remote and rustic, actually. No internet available, very difficult at that time for people. But it really brought help to bring together this group and establish basically the OTS back then in this castle.
The meeting in New York City took place, and there was an immediate agreement that a society should be formed, and it should have various parameters guiding it. One was that this should be accessible both to academics, such as myself, but also to industrial scientists, so that there was a synthesis between the two.
The attendants were composed of academics and industrial members. At that time, we focused on the subject that still is in the focus of OTS, which is nucleic acid-based therapeutics.
The early board meetings were mainly based on dreams of what will the future bring the society. And I think that many of those dreams came true.
The program for OTS is always based on discovery, development, preclinical, and clinical. So we bring all the people involved in the field. In the discovery and development, it is very important both industry and academia work together.
The founding members of the society really established this dedication to high quality of science. And I think that was transformative to the field.
I think scientifically, when the society was established, there was a lot of skepticism. And that had mainly to do with poorly designed science. And I think that's one of the things that the society strives for, was rigorous science, focus on the data. If you do your experiments properly, then you will get high quality results.
I'm very proud of it. Can't believe how large it's grown so quickly. It's truly amazing to me.
I couldn't be more proud of where OTS is today because of the continued commitment I see that the board and the organizers and everybody involved with OTS continues to apply in maintaining and ensuring that our meetings and our collaborations and the things that we support are at the cutting edge of science, innovation, collaboration, and very importantly, a unique and very important, highly productive partnership between industry and academia focused on delivering important, life-changing medicines for patients.
I am so grateful to be part of the OTS Society. Whether I am a board member or I'm just a member, really thank the society for the past 20 years. I think I grew better as a person and as a scientist simply because I was able to interact and learn and exchange with members and colleagues.
Thank you, everyone who's been a part of this incredible journey, bringing us to where we're at here. It took a village to do this, and I just have been so honored and privileged to work with all the people who've been a part of this journey. And I look forward to our success in the years ahead with this growing family of scientists working on these technologies.
I actually am completely in love with OTS.
I couldn't be more excited about the future of OTS and more proud of having played a part in this wonderful society.
Best wishes for the success of all individuals within OTS, and best wishes for the success of OTS itself.
The sky's the limit. No one should ever bet against oligonucleotide therapeutics.